Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. So what you're going to need is some bubble bath, some of this soap, and toilet paper. So what you're going to do is wet it. I've already done that, break it up. Nearly done breaking it up. And now I'll show you the finished result after it's finished. So you're going to take it, you're going to break it up so it sort of looks like that a little bit. Sorry if you can't see it, but yeah. So you're going to break it up. You're going to put some soap in it, because now you've broke it up, you can squeeze it back in. So you're just going to put some soap in it now. Just one pump. Okay. Keep kneading it. And when you put the water in, don't forget to rinse it out. Just squeeze it. So after you've done that, it's going to become like this consistency. And it's going to be a little bit like Play-Doh. So then I'm just going to go and get more toilet paper to wipe it. Okay, so you're just going to wipe your surface after you're done that, because it's going to get messy. Then you're going to take your bubble bath. I forgot what it was called for a second. Just put a little bit in and start mixing. Just keep kneading. Just keep kneading, just keep kneading. Okay, so lift that up and wipe it. Wipe the surface. And just keep kneading, just keep kneading. Then you're going to have a slime like this. Then you're going to go to your sink and squeeze it. And put a little bit more water in it. And it's not perfect slime, but it's slime. So yeah, that's how to make slime. And then you're going to dry your hands. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this toilet paper, the one that you were wiping it with, and just dab the one that you've just made. Then it's going to be slime. Well, kind of. It's going to be squishy and mushy. And if you need to, then what you do is you put some of this stuff in. Can't remember what it is. Deodorant, you put it in there. Put some in it. That makes it a better consistency. Makes it more squishier. So now it's really squishy. What you're going to do is you're going to go and wet it again. And then you're just going to start breaking it up again. Sorry, that was not a battery if you heard a boom boom. I don't know. But it's at 15%. So after you broke it up, then you're just gonna bring it all back together again. And then there you have it. And then I'll be back in one sec, guys. instructions. If you need to, take some lotion and then just put it in a toilet paper, or the slime toilet paper. Consistency thingy. There's not very much in here. The best to use is the like the smelly ones, because like it just gives it better consistency. I've tried the non-smelly ones, didn't really work. I've perfected my recipe for this video because I love you all. I'm just gonna go and wipe my hand. Clean my sink out a little bit. So after that, you're gonna have your slime. Might be a little bit clumpy, but yeah, you have slime. This is its pose. And this is how stretchy it is. Not very. It's like a Play-Doh type of thing, and if it doesn't get everywhere, well, it does, but after you're done, you just squeeze it all up into one ball again, put it into a container, and yeah, that's how to make slime. Sorry, just does that. Bye bye, Slime Squad. Mwah.